Hey guys, so today I wanted to share with you an Ulta haul that I picked up over the holiday time. Ulta was kind enough to send me some holiday things, a gift card to try some new products, so I took full advantage of that and the free gift offers. Yes, I did. So if you guys would like to see what I purchased, then just keep watching. Alright, so they came in this giant box as always. Okay, so the first thing that I received is this MAC gift set. This is the Sparkler Starter Kit with 5 brushes. Now, I thought that these were full-size brushes, but they are minis. They're like this big. I don't like mini brushes because my brush holders are pretty large and these tend to get lost in them. So it's nice if you want to try some MAC brushes. They are good quality brushes, but I don't know. I don't know if it's worth the price for the minis. And because I spent so much on MAC products, they gave me a free MAC Fix Plus Bronze Light, which I'm super excited to try. I had wanted this anyway. I love the MAC Fix Plus, not so much the matte one, but look at this one. It's bronze and beautiful, so I thought we would try this out today. Alrighty guys, I am going to kind of move the bangs so we can see the forehead here. Let me pull these back real quick. And I want to do like a side by side, so let's see what happens. Okay, bronze glow on this side. No glow on this side. It's very subtle. Honestly, I'm not really sure it adds anything to the skin, which I'm totally fine with. I mean, I look a little bit glowier over here than I do over here. I already went heavy with the bronzer, but I don't know. I like this. It's just another MAC Fix Plus to me, so I'm happy with it. Some other MAC products that I purchased. This is the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara, which looks like this. I love using that one on my lower lash line on top of any mascara because it does not smudge, it does not run. So that's what I love that for. And because I purchased this, I also received this little gift bag from MAC, which has a little Fix Plus mini, which I love, and a little travel size lipstick, and this one is in the shade Mocha, which I don't believe I have, so very exciting. Next up are some things I purchased from Ulta every single holiday season, and they're little limited edition wipe packets. They usually have like a vanilla, a berry, and a peppermint, and I got the peppermint and the sugar cookie, and these are by the Sweet and Shimmer brand. They were like 5 for $5, I think, at the time, so I got 2 of these. And because it is the year of the corona, I got 3 little hand sanitizers that I can attach to like my steering wheel, my keys, my purse, a diaper bag, a stroller, whatever. So I got peppermint and sugar cookie. So these are like a must-have this year. The next item is a repurchase. It is the Catrice Liquid Coverage Foundation, and this one's in the shade 10, which is the shade that I currently wear. I purchased this one to get a free Catrice Glowy Setting Spray, but they were out of it, unfortunately. So I purchased this for nothing, but it is my favorite foundation at the moment, so I will definitely get use out of this. Since Ulta was kind enough to give me a gift card to spend on products at Ulta for the holiday season, I went ahead and picked up a palette that I've had my eyes on for a very, very long time. This is the Smashbox Cali Contour Palette. It's like the lighter shade one. I have, and I'm wearing today, the Ablaze Face Palette, which is just like deeper, redder shades, and I've been wanting this paler one for a long time. So I finally bit the bullet and picked this one up even though it wasn't on sale. Next up was something I purchased to get the free gift. The free gift was the Pure Haze Mist, the CBD Replenishing Facial Setting Spray, and it comes in this really cool holographic box. Now, I love facial mists. I love facial mist primers. I love facial mist setting sprays. I love facial mist finishers. So this one is the CBD setting spray, and it just says shake well before use, hold bottle 8 to 10 inches away from the face, and spray 2 to 3 pumps after makeup application, or spray during the day for instant hydration. So let's see. That looks like a very nice mist, and it has like a slight grass scent to it, which I don't mind. So that was the free one. The one that I purchased to get that is the Pure Miracle Mist Hydrating Spray. So along the same lines, but this one's yellow, so it intrigued me. This one has citrus oils, fulvic acid, nourishing with minerals and amino acids. I don't know, so I'm curious if this is like the Pixie Vitamin C one, but it has a cool bottle. It's plastic, but it looks fancy. That one's a bit more of a direct mist, and I can definitely spray the citrus, so I will have to see if this one irritates my eyes because the Pixie Citrus Mist does sting my eyes. So I'll keep you posted on that one. And then if you guys have been watching my channel for any amount of time, you know that I am always struggling to find a mirror, and I often end up using one that came from like an advent calendar that's this big, or trying to find a compact that I can open to look at a mirror this big. So when I saw that Makeup Revolution, or Revolution, was having a promo where you got a free product with a purchase, and knowing that it is Friends, I had to get the Friends handheld mirror. So yes, I did that. Ta-da! All right, so that definitely makes my life a whole lot easier. So I have a handheld mirror that I can use now instead of trying to see myself on an itty bitty mirror like this. So very excited to have this. If you're not familiar with Friends, this was the frame on the back of their door. It's kind of like their iconic, one of their iconic images from the series. And because I purchased that mirror from Revolution, I got this Glowfix Brightening Fixing Mist, which also again has iridescent box and like little water droplets, holographic water droplets on it. And this one just says, glow all day fixing mist for lit from within skin, illuminates and brightens skin while holding makeup in place. Caffeine and papaya extract. Caffeine's good for depuffing, so let's check this out. Ooh, fun. Iridescent pink bottle. Okay, ready? Let's see what this one looks like. That one has a very unpleasant smell. What is that? It reminds me of like toilet bowl cleaner. And I think this has glitter in it.
Oh, that smell. Oh.
Thankfully I didn't pay for that. That one was free. Oh, it smells so bad, guys. Baby wipes, toilet bowl cleaner. Baby wipes I can handle. This smells like straight up bathroom cleaner. Okay, so don't love the scent of that one, and it looks like it does have glitter in it. So just keep that in mind if you were considering buying that one. And then they threw in a free sample. This is the Lancome Idol Lash Lifting Volumizing Mascara. So I love getting new mascaras, so that is great. So that is it for the things that I purchased from Ulta. I think I'll be keeping the majority of these things. I might end up returning the MAC brush set just because I thought they were full size and they are not. But I'm very, very excited to try the Smashbox palette and some of these sprays. I mean, I certainly have enough of them, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I got at Ulta. Let me know down below what are some things that you've purchased over the holiday season, Black Friday, Christmas, after Christmas shopping. I'd love to hear it. Hope you guys enjoyed this little haul and brief try on of some of the products. If you did enjoy this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.